we are going to show you about how to folding the bread napkin like this one for the bread basket. We put the bread and soft roll or butter inside the basket and we serve it to the customer also. So let's start all together. So in our restaurant, to belong, we use the red napkin. Okay, folding like this, and use your hand to tamping the napkin, and you place to another side and folding back. You can see all students. So now you have a lot for the both sides. So we folding it like that. Okay, you can see. And we drop it on the basket. Okay, and you take it up. So now we getting the properly folding the red napkin on the bread basket. Normally we serve the bread inside the napkin and also the butter, and we use fork and spoon as a thumb to transfer the bread and serve to the customer on the table. So it's been like that. So now we finish for the second video.